We'll draw orthographic projections of the object shown here. The front view direction is indicated with letter F. So we have to draw the front view from this direction, then left side view. And in the front view, we'll be able to see this rectangular surface 12 by 68, and we'll be able to see this surface and this annulus also, and this inclined top surface of the rib will be seen as a vertical rectangle. Start with the front view. (68) and thickness of the base is 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters to the left 68 and down 12. Now we have to draw the annulus. It will be at a height of 82 millimeters from the base. So from here, from the middle of this, go up by 82 millimeters. So that is the center for that circle. So draw circle with this as center. Inside radius 9. Repeat circle. Outside radius 18. Okay. And now we must join this tangentially to this. Okay. So line from the corner of this you must get that symbol tangent, and repeat line from this corner tangent. So that is front view. Now we have to draw the rib here at the center. Rib is from this point. Thickness of the rib is 10 mm, so 5 millimeters on right side. It is not horizontal, so select that and cancel. Put it in ortho mode. From the middle of this 5 millimeters and go up this. Repeat line from the middle here by 5 millimeters, go up there. Trim till it touches the circle. So that is the rib, 10 millimeter thick. Now remove that unwanted line, this line, delete. Okay, so that is front view. Now we must draw center lines. Draw center line, cross center line about this, like this. So that is the front view. Now we have to draw the top view. In the top view, we'll be able to see this surface as in one stretch, and then this cylinder as a rectangle, and we'll be able to see these two surfaces. By the way, there are two radii here, this surface and this surface. They do not meet at right angles. There is a corner produced here, that is a radius of 6 millimeter. So we'll show it here. Fillet radius 6 millimeters between this and this. Again, fillet between fillet between this and this. Okay, now extend this line on this side. So that is the front view. Now we'll draw the top view. So in the top view, we have it as a rectangle of width 68 and depth 70, 68 and 70. Okay, now we have to draw that cylinder. Repeat line from the middle of this, go to the right by 18 millimeters, down by 15 millimeters, 25 millimeters, and to the left by 36 millimeters, and this is 25 millimeters. That is the cylinder. Now we have to show the hole. For showing the hole, repeat line from the center of this. This is 9 millimeters there, and 25 millimeters, 18 millimeters to the left, and then 25 millimeters. Okay, delete this line, and also there is one more line here which we have used. Delete. Now these two lines are hidden lines. Okay, so we'll select them. Properties, line type, hidden. Close this and escape. Now we'll draw a center line there. Center line from middle of this to this. That is the center line. Now the rib we have to draw. That back support. Its thickness is 12 millimeters. That extends up to this point of tangency here. So we must locate that point where the line ends. This line ends, and from there we have to project it. So here, line from the end of this line, you must draw a projector. You can see it is not the same line there. There is a small distance like this, and also on this side line from the end of this line like this. So this is an important part in this problem. So this line X comes up to here, and in this region this outline of the cylinder will not be visible. So now from this thickness of that wall is 12 millimeters, okay, and then draw this line like this. Now trim, this line will not be there, okay, and this line comes only up to this point, and this line will not be there. So that is how it looks when you see from the top. Same thing we have to do on the other side also. Okay, line from here 12 millimeters, enter, draw a line like this, enter, trim this line, this line. So that's how it looks in the top view. So you must make sure that you show these small portions here. That is an important part in this. Now I'll remove those projectors, delete this and this, select, and now we have to draw the rib. Rib starts from the middle of this, 5 millimeters on this side, okay, goes up to this line, and then from the end of this 5 millimeters to the left and goes up to this line. So that is the rib as seen in the top view. Are there any other corners which are to be trimmed? No, nothing. Okay, so that is the top view. Now we have to draw the left side view. Line, this length is 670 millimeters and 12 millimeters. First we'll draw the base, 70 millimeters, 12 millimeters. Then we will draw the back side wall. It will be 82 plus 18, 90, 100. So from here this is 100. This must be 82 plus, okay, 82 plus 18 from the base, not from the top edge. This must be measured from the base. So from here it must be 100. This and this, they must be in the same line. And 25 5 down by 36 and 25. So that is the cylinder. Now we will mark the hole. From this you can project here like this. From the center of this 9 millimeters to the left 25, down by 18, to the right by 25, one line extra, delete it, one more line extra, delete it. Now draw the center line. Draw center line from the middle of this 25. That is the center line. Now we'll draw the rib. Rib will be drawn from this end to this end, and we have to show the rear wall now. From here, from this point 12 millimeters thickness, and this will up to where it goes, it will be determined by projecting this point of tangency here. You have to project it like this and then extend this line up to that. That is where it ends. Now trim this line, and this line. There is no edge produced, and erase this line. So that's how it looks. And now these two are dashed lines. We'll make them dashed, this one to this line and to this line. That completes the side view. Write dimensions as shown here and also finish the drawing. Now notice that this edge will not be there. There is no edge here. Okay, so it has to be removed. Remove this. So that completes the drawing.